Sorry.
All right. Hey, guys! Hey! What?
Do this.
Do what?
Magnum.
I love it. I love Magnum. And it's gonna whip us over so fast, too. It's crazy. Look, there's lights for airplanes up here. Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Man!
That's a lot of airtime.
It's wild. It's triangular airtime. Woo! Just sends you straight up in the air. Yeah! And we got everyone on the ride with us. Hey everyone, say hi! Yeah! I'm so toasty.
No other way to be at Cedar Point. Externally and internally.
Yeah, both ways. Yeah.
So,